Listen up, because this might be the most important video you watch this year. If you've ever wondered how do people actually make real money online, then what I'm about to show you is a complete game changer. Because let's face it, most people fail at affiliate marketing. They struggle to get signups. They watch others succeed but never figure out the secret, because most people are gatekeeping the information. Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain on Simple Freedom Warriors 2025, showing you exactly how I got 7 sales in just 10 days and help my team duplicate success effortlessly. Now smash that like button, subscribe, and keep watching, because I'm about to reveal how you can start for just $7, upgrade out of profit, and scale your way up to $1,500 instant commissions, all with a simple system built to create real financial freedom. Now let's dive in. Let's be real, most affiliate programs set you up to fail. They give you a flashy sales page and nothing else. They promise you big commissions but never show you how to build a team. They leave you wondering, why is this not working for me? Sound familiar? That's why Simple Freedom Warriors 2025 is different. It's built for duplication. It's designed for scalability. It teaches you how to actually make money online and make sure you win, not just the people at the top, and it's built for any system. Right now, I'm taking you inside the system so you can see exactly how this works. So these are the actual content. And what do you get for $7 at the lowest level? Well, let's see. Let me scroll this up over. You can see a little bit better. Okay, this is the build phase, okay? New member orientation, disclaimer training, set up LLC, how to start marketing, set up Facebook, set up Instagram, set up YouTube, set up LinkedIn, set up X, set up Pinterest, set up branded funnel, test your funnel, set up SFW affiliate funnel to earn $50%, sorry. And we have several different levels. 3 you can get in for about $50, and then we have higher levels up to the duplication formula, which is $3,000, and you pay $1,500 instantly to your payment processor of choice. You want to get paid PayPal? Great, we got you. You want to be paid Cash App? We got you. You want to be paid Venmo? We got you. No matter how you want to be paid, you can make up to 50% commissions instantly. This is direct pay, okay? And we even can hire the SFW to set up your funnel, okay? So, you can start for $7. It doesn't matter if you have any tools. It doesn't matter if you have any extra money for autoresponder or whatever. We have a way of taking care of you now. If you just get started for $7 and take action, this will be your link, okay? This link is for beginners who do not have their branded funnel set up. So you can upgrade for the higher levels out of profit. And hey, if you got the money to start with higher levels, go for it. But if you don't, we got you covered, okay? So what makes Simple Freedom Warriors 2025 the blueprint to consistent affiliate success? Low cost entry. Start for just $7. Make it accessible for anyone. Scalable commissions. Earning up to $1,500 instantly. No waiting for payouts. Built-in duplication. Every person who joins under you gets training so their team grows on autopilot. Team building strategy. You'll get proven methods to scale effortlessly. Exclusive YouTube training. Ranking training. Learn to rank fast and dominate Google searches, no matter what your program is. Mentorship and support. Never do this alone. Get guidance from a real winning team. And the best part, when you join, your team members get trained automatically, so your network grows without you doing extra work. So this is elite training, okay? Doesn't matter what you're promoting, we're going to teach you how to succeed with it. That's how true duplication works. Now, I want to share information with me. My name is John Solid, aka JJ Solid, aka Your Friendly Neighborhood Solid Man, and I've been in the affiliate marketing, network marketing, make money online industry for about 12 to 13 years. This is written from my son's point of view because my whole world changed about 6 months ago. Now, before I continue, I need to tell you why this program matters more than ever. Me making money online, or you making money online, matters. Months ago, my life changed forever. My wife was hit by a speeding car going upwards of 45 miles an hour. She has multiple neck fractures, C2, C6, C7, both femurs, and a tibia and a fibula shattered, a brain blood clot, subdural hematoma, the list goes on. 6 months ago, she was hit November 20th. It's actually about almost 7 months now. And endless hospital bills, endless surgeries, endless uncertainty. And yeah, we've only earned $445 in our GoFundMe so far. So again, nothing is promised. Tomorrow you could wake up and you may not, and somebody may not be here. You may not be here. Tomorrow's never promised. You could get you fired from your job. Who knows? And honestly, we have all our bills are going up every single year. We may be lucky if we get a 2% raise in our job, if we even keep our job. AI is coming. So, but the dollar loses 15% 15% value every single year. Okay, so if we can't make our money work now, how are you gonna make it work when you're retired and you're living on 40% of what you were making now? And who wants to be working till they're 65, 70, 75, etc.? Let me tell you, if I hadn't built financial freedom before this happened, I have no idea how I would have handled it. So I was serious about finding somebody that would really help me, programs that would really help me, okay? This isn't just about money, it's just about having options when life hits you hard. It's about control, security, and freedom. That's why Simple Freedom Warriors 2025 matters. Because when you have a system that pays you instantly, lets you duplicate success automatically, and gives you real support network, you don't just make money, you change your future. So again, what makes Simple Freedom Warriors different? You start with just $7, no big investment needed. You scale to $1,500 instant commissions out of profit. Pay directly to PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, or whatever you prefer. Duplication is built in. Your team grows on autopilot. So whatever your system you're building, plug them into this and we'll get you them trained, okay? Personal mentorship and support, you're never left to figure it out alone. Exclusive YouTube ranking training, dominate YouTube and Google searches. And the best part, when you join, your team members also get trained so your team grows effortlessly. That's how true but duplication works. Now this isn't just theory, this is working right now. And I'm going to show you right now. Legit. Okay, so affiliate member legit. You see how this says sign in? That means we're in incognito mode. See, there's two searches, okay? Alright, so I'm only going to name affiliate member legit is what I'm searching for. I'm only going to name the ones that are on our team. And this one doesn't count because it's an ad. Postcard Lifestyle, #1 video. With only 2 views, by the way. This is another member of my team. This is another member of our team. On the shorts search, okay? This is another member of our team, Postcard Lifestyle. This is me. This is Postcard Lifestyle again. This is me, 2 days ago. This is Michael De La Cruz, another member of our team. Make Money Online with JJ, that's me. Make Money Online with JJ, me. Postcard Lifestyle, another member of our team. Make Money Online with JJ. 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 See? I'm putting in a lot of different videos. Postcard Lifestyle. Our team, if you follow the training, you will rank your videos. And you don't have to be on camera. You can make a video just like this. And we'll teach you exactly what to, descriptions, what titles, exactly what to do, Not just you, but your members, okay? Now, I personally got 7 sales in 10 days while helping 2 of my team members get their first 2 signups each. And that's what this looks like right here. Congratulations, you just earned a $50 Spark Matrix Cycle commission. You also unlocked a new Spark training module and another Matrix position which will be processed shortly. Log into your back office for more details. Affiliate Mentor. So I'm going to check that out right now. Okay, so you see there's 6 people here. There's 1 person here, 7 people from 521 to 62. Okay, 7 different sales. Okay, and as you can see, the sponsor for each one is John Solly. So what happens when I check on Cheryl Hannah? She's got 2 people from John Solly, right? And what happens when I click on Bobby Nation? He's got 2 people from John Solly, right? So, and this runs on autopilot. But I'm focusing on Simple Freedom Warriors right now because this training is simply fire. Our members are ranking, getting views, and making sales thanks to our exclusive team training. And you get all this free when you join Simple Warriors for Freedom Warriors 2. For a low cost of $7, you get a gold mine of training. Step-by-step YouTube domination strategy. SEO hacks to rank fast on YouTube and Google. Minutes after your video's up. And the best part, the bonus applies to your team members too. Meaning when you bring in new people, you plug them in the system, they get full access, creating massive duplication on whatever system you're trying to promote. Now, I want to show you one more thing before I bounce out. Okay. This is the YouTube syndication group, which we're not even utilizing yet. Okay. And we're already dominating. So this is the rules right here. So you can see how powerful this is going to be. Search the video keyword on YouTube and scroll until you find the member's video. This creates organic search which ranks better. Watch the video all the way through with your volume slightly up so you can also watch 5 videos at a time. So this goes fast for you. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Repeat this for 5 other members before you post your video, get boosted. When you post your video, you must use our post template below. So you post your video and there's going to be a whole bunch of people watching in full and subscribing to your channel, liking your video, commenting, and giving YouTube exactly what they want. And they're scrolling on to find your keyword. Okay? That's just for the YouTube. Okay, now watch this. This is the Reels. Or here's the rules for Reels. Okay, it's not just Reels. We got YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Pick a reel and like the video. Comment on the reel. Watch the reel twice so it gets a loop view. So imagine they're watching double the time. Repeat this for 5 other members before you post your video. Get boosted. When you post your reel in the group, this is the what you do. Amazing, right? So now if you're tired of struggling, tired of guessing, tired of watching others win while you wait for your turn, then stop waiting. $7 to start, upgrade through profit, earn up to $1,500 instant commissions, and finally change your life. Text me right now at 775-460-7938. Click the first link in the description and join now. And if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Now let's recap, okay? This is what happens when I go through this, what our funnel looks like, okay? So I'm going to get access. Boom. This is going to be branded to you and tells you exactly what to do, okay? It has my name, has my phone number, okay? And that was what we'll build for you. Simple Free will show you how to build. Simple Free Warriors 2025 review is your key to making money online and building a scalable affiliate business. Start with just $7. Obviously, if you want to start with more, and you have actual tools like an autoresponder, a funnel builder, etc., hey, you can make money even faster. No tools needed. Upgrade is your profit. Scaling up to $1,500 instant commissions. Nobody's holding your money. You get paid direct pay. And what's the product? Training, elite training. And we'll teach you how to duplicate and become a leader in any system. Best team, best bonuses, best training, period. This is your opportunity. This is your moment. Don't wait. Don't delay. Get what Jay did today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.